Cloud versus on-premises. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll delve into one of the most critical decisions businesses face, choosing between cloud and on-premises infrastructure. I'm here to guide you through the pros and cons of each to help you make the best decision for your organization. Let's start by defining our terms. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and more over the internet. On the other hand, on-premises infrastructure involves managing and maintaining all these resources locally within your own physical premises. Comparing cloud and on-premises. Now, let's weigh the advantages of each option. The cloud offers scalability, flexibility, and accessibility. You can easily scale resources up or down based on demand, access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection, and enjoy the flexibility of pay-as-you-go pricing models. Host discussing scalability and flexibility. However, on-premises infrastructure provides greater control and security. You have full control over your hardware and software, which can be crucial for industries with strict compliance requirements or sensitive data. Plus, with on-premises solutions, you're not dependent on an internet connection for access. But what about cost? Many believe that the cloud is always more expensive, but that's not necessarily true. While on-premises infrastructure may have lower upfront costs, the cloud offers cost savings in terms of reduced maintenance, energy consumption, and the ability to avoid over-provisioning resources. Another factor to consider is performance. Cloud services are often backed by massive data centers with high-speed networks, providing reliable performance and uptime. However, on-premises solutions can offer lower latency and faster data transfer speeds, especially for applications that require real-time processing. Discussing performance considerations. Finally, let's talk about scalability and innovation. The cloud enables rapid innovation with access to cutting-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, and big data analytics. Cloud providers continually update their services, ensuring you're always leveraging the latest advancements. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to choosing between cloud and on-premises infrastructure. It ultimately depends on your business's specific needs, budget, security requirements, and long-term goals. Consider hybrid solutions that combine the best of both worlds, leveraging the scalability and flexibility of the cloud while maintaining critical applications and data on premises. Whatever you choose, remember to regularly evaluate your infrastructure strategy to ensure it aligns with your. Let's dive deeper into each aspect. 1. Scalability and flexibility. At cloud. With cloud computing, scalability is a significant advantage. You can easily scale resources up or down based on demand. Whether you need to increase server capacity during peak times or scale down during off-peak hours, cloud services allow for flexibility without the need for significant upfront investments in hardware. On-premises infrastructure may lack the same level of scalability. While you can scale your resources to a certain extent, it often requires purchasing additional hardware, which can be costly and time-consuming. Scaling down may also be challenging if you've over-provisioned resources. 2. Control and security. At cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, including encryption, firewalls, and access controls. However, some businesses may have concerns about data privacy and compliance when storing sensitive information in the cloud. With on-premises infrastructure, you have full control over your hardware and data. This level of control can be beneficial for industries with strict compliance requirements, such as healthcare or finance. However, it also means that you're responsible for implementing and maintaining security measures. 3. Cost considerations. At cloud computing often follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means you only pay for the resources you use. This can be cost-effective for businesses with fluctuating workloads or those looking to avoid upfront hardware investments. However, costs can add up over time, especially if usage is consistently high. On-premises. On-premises infrastructure typically involves higher upfront costs for purchasing hardware, software licenses, and ongoing maintenance. However, over the long term, it may be more cost-effective, especially for businesses with predictable workloads or those that have already made significant investments in infrastructure. 4. Performance considerations. At cloud. Cloud services are often backed by powerful data centers with high-speed networks, ensuring reliable performance and uptime. However, latency and network congestion can sometimes impact performance, especially for applications that require real-time processing or large data transfers. On-premises. On-premises solutions can offer lower latency and faster data transfer speeds since resources are located locally. This can be advantageous for applications that require high-performance computing or real-time data processing. However, performance may vary depending on the quality of your infrastructure and network connectivity. 5. Innovation and future-proofing. At cloud. Cloud providers continuously innovate and update their services, providing access to cutting-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, and big data analytics. This allows businesses to stay competitive and adapt to evolving market trends without the need for significant investments in new hardware or software. On-premises. On-premises infrastructure may offer more control over the pace of innovation since you're responsible for implementing new technologies and upgrades. However, it requires significant time, resources, and expertise to keep pace with the rapidly changing tech landscape, which may not be feasible for all businesses. Conclusion. Choosing between cloud and on-premises infrastructure requires careful consideration of your business's specific needs, budget, security requirements, and long-term goals. While the cloud offers scalability, flexibility, and innovation, on-premises solutions provide control, security, and potentially lower long-term costs. Ultimately, many businesses may benefit from a hybrid approach that combines the best aspects of both cloud and on-premises infrastructure to meet their unique requirements. And that's it for today's tutorial, folks. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time.